Hi everyone, welcome to video 2, Paris Cruise 23C, ready to wear. This is my second video of the ready to wear collection. You've seen me wear this in black, and in video 1 I tried this on of Paris, video 1. I think video 3 or 4, US, I tried this in black. Here's another top. Let me make sure I show you the tags. And then here's another tank, very similar to what I tried earlier in black, video 1 Paris. Here's the tag for it. I'm not going to try this. You've all seen me try two different pieces, two other pieces just like it. It's exactly the same, so you saw it in video 1, but I wanted you to see that it comes in black. Here's a cardigan. Let me show you this one here. This is actually dark blue, by the way. It says marine. Unless it's not the color. No, it is. It is blue. Cardigan. Okay, so as I had ended my last video 1 of Paris with this, I poked myself in the eye with a hanger, so the red blood spot, I didn't get beat up in the meantime. So this is the cardigan, tweed, extremely lightweight, extremely comfortable. What I like is you can wear it with black jeans, obviously, and just about any color under the rainbow. So I think it's very cute, has a lot of great potential with leggings, bodysuits. I'm really into Wolford bodysuits these days. So now I'm going to try on some of these pieces. There's a lot. It's like hours and hours of trying on. It's so much fun. So I hope you will continue to join me on this journey, and I will continue with 23C from Paris. Okay, this is a cotton and polyamide blend. Okay, I'll tell you what I love about it. What I love about it is that it's like the softest fabric I've ever felt come out of Chanel. So it's very nice. The white, white with black, pretty straightforward. I don't like this. I haven't been liking this on just about anything. So that one is iffy for me. But fits great, feels nice. This is I hadn't shown you in the starting side, but I don't recall. 34. Yeah, definitely size down on this one. So I'll see if there's other colors, but take the pockets out, and I think it could be a great piece just to run around the city or run errands, or head to the mall, dress it up, dress it down a little bit. Not much shape here, but overall it's pretty cute. So I'll try the next one. Okay, this is cotton, polyester, and polyamide. Feels really good. Feels like it's compressed, but not overly. Here's the back. I think the length of it is actually very cute. It's not cropped, but it's also not long. So I think they did a good job. The only thing I don't like actually is the pink. So that's the only downside to me for this top. But it's a nice blend, feels really good on. I had said the size earlier, don't recall off the top of my head, but this size does fit me well. This one is a 38, so here's the top. Okay, so if you were the pink fan from the last top, this is the cardigan. Also feels really good. It holds the body in, but not too much. Here's the back. Great length on this collection. Not too cropped, not too long, great length. Here are the buttons. And on to the next piece. All right, so this one's also 80% cotton, 20% polyamide. Another piece, this combination, the 80-20, you've heard me talk about it on other videos. If you've watched my US video 1, 2, 3, I love this combination of fabric because it feels like it's holding you, but not tight. And so here's a cardigan. Here's how it looks close up. Here are the button details. This is where you're getting the racing, here and here. And here's the back. So on to the next. Okay, this one is acetate and polyamide. I didn't think this would get exhausting, but it actually is. Also feels really good. It kind of holds the body, feels nice on, looks good on. I think it doesn't have the big emblem that's so popular this year, so I like this one. And This is what it looks like from the side and the back. Again, I went up a size, but that's just me. So I'll go to the next. Okay, so this is also cotton and polyamide, but it's a much looser fit, and it's more polyamide, less cotton. To me, it's just a little bit too blasé, casual. Here's the back. It's cute, but it's nice to just run around and feel good, but my running around feel good clothes are from Instagram. They're from like, designers that are kind of popping in and out and just showing different things. So I want my Chanel to be like, wow, that's why I buy it. So this would be a no for me, but it is a very nice casual piece for those of you looking for one that's soft, comfortable, but still feels compressed. This is a good one for that. So you saw me try a white top. I'm going to stick with the white. I know the black looks really nice, but I'm going to stick with the white. This is a 38. It's bigger than the one I had in my video from California. And it's nice, feels good, open here. So if you are looking for more of a kind of casual look, I think this is a good one. If you don't mind it being open, that's why I like it, but a little bit more of a sexy appeal to it. So just a couple more, and then I'll be wrapped up with video 2, 23C Paris. So this one I tried in black in video 1 Paris. It looks the same, it's just in red. I like it, it's very comfortable, really easy to wear, inexpensive for Chanel. Here's how it looks in the back. And I think it's really nice. So here's the close-up of the detail if you want to see. And a few more. All right, so here's the sequin blouse. I'm holding it at the bottom because I can't get it on, and I hate fabrics that I can't get on my own. But definitely the 40 is better. So if you're bigger chested and you like this piece, I would go up a size. Here's how it looks in the back and the sparkle on the front. So same as the 38, it's just a bigger size. This I'm not able to tell you the fabric. The sensor is right over it. It's 95 and 5 something. They only have one in the store. It's a 36. It does run tight. It's not even buttoned yet. So probably not my thing. I like this shape a lot, the halter style, but racerback style. But I think overall, this one's gonna be a pass for me. So I have this in black and white. I'm going to stick with my black and white. But for those of you that wanted it in pink, I wanted to show you what it looks like. Here it is. The tag is caught in the middle, but it looks just like video 2 from the US. Okay, I think I just have 1 or 2 more, so almost wrapped up. Okay, this is acetate and polyamide. So this patch is not, it's just embroidered on. And I just don't like this neckline. But it's comfortable. It's a comfortable top. If you're looking for something kind of basic, this is what it looks like. It reminds me of a prison uniform, so I'm gonna skip. And I'm gonna try on one last cardigan, and then I think I'm done. Maybe, there might be a video 3. Okay, so this is designed to be oversized. It is cashmere. This is a 36. It's one of those pieces that's so versatile, it's going to sell out. But here's what I'm not a fan of. This. It's just, I don't get it. I know what it's supposed to be, but I just don't like it on my clothing. So here's how it looks. Great pockets. Looks really good in the back. So I think for now that's it for video 2 from Paris 23C. And I would love to hear what you all love, hate, what you change. And if you find this useful, please tell your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Trying to reach 2,000 by the end of the year. And we only started in April or March. No, I'm sorry, April or May. So thank you for your loyalty, for your comments, for spreading the word. And thank you for subscribing.